Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be listing 5 great investments that you can make as a teenager. It's never too early to start investing. In fact, it's best to do it as soon as you can. It can even be fantastic to start investing as a teenager because odds are you'll still be living at home with your parents, you'll have a part-time job, and you can use that extra money to immediately start investing since you probably really wouldn't have to worry about paying any living bills at all. So with that being said, it takes us to number 1, starting a Roth IRA. A Roth IRA is an individual retirement account. You can open one at Vanguard for a minimum investment of $1,000. But the best part about this is that since you invested money after taxes, then any withdrawals of your initial investment in the future will be completely tax-free. But any earnings will be taxed unless you have had the account for a minimum of 5 years and are over the age of 59 and a half. You could also decide to invest in a mutual fund to earn even greater interest. So to show you how great of an investment this really is, let's say at the age of 18 you invested $1,000 to open up your account. Then every year you invested an additional $2,000 with 7% annual interest. Then by the time you reached age 65, your account balance will be $1,015,496, with only around half of that being taxable. Now, this is absolutely amazing considering that you only directly contributed $94,000 of that $1 million. Number 2 is investing in index funds. And unlike regular stocks, which are more risky, index funds are far more diverse and safe. They even allow you to collect the returns of an entire section of the market. So with just the purchase of a single fund, you can diversify among many different investments. This is just one of the reasons that they are so popular among many investors. Up next at number 3 is using micro-saving apps. So these are another great initial investment to actually get you used to investing. So what a lot of these apps will generally do is they will round up any purchases you have made and then invest the difference. For an example, let's say you're at the mall shopping and while you're there you get hungry, so you buy a hot dog for $3.50. What these apps will do is they will round up the purchase to $4 and then invest the remaining 50 cents into the stock market. A great micro-saving app to use is called Acorns because it has such a low minimum deposit and very low monthly fees. So, number 4, savings and checking accounts. Now, this one isn't really about making a lot of money since you'll probably only have a part-time job and any interest on these accounts won't really have that big of an impact. So this is more about just teaching some basic financial skills. But if you do have enough money where interest can make a larger impact, then there are some online bank options that offer higher interest than regular physical banks. So, last but definitely not least, number 5, investing in your own business. Now, obviously, this does not have to be a big business by any means, and I know that a lot of teenagers won't want to run their own business. But this can be very beneficial, and depending on your interests and passions, it can also be very fun. But the basic idea behind this is, let's say you mow people's lawns for some extra money. Then you could use that extra money or any money from a part-time job and reinvest it into your business to buy some better equipment that would make mowing lawns faster and easier. This is also one of the more dangerous options on this list because depending on the type of small business that you try to make, it does have the chance to fail, but it also does have the chance to be very rewarding. All in all, investing as a teenager is very important because it gets you used to investing and shows you how investing actually works. Also, because you started investing at such a young age, it will give you an edge over others in the future. So, if you liked this video and thought it was helpful, then be sure to hit the like button down below. Also, in the comments, be sure to say which option I listed above sounds the most appealing to you. Also, be sure to subscribe if you would like to see weekly videos on finance. I hope you have a wonderful day.